video that I did with this hair was to crochet this hair in my head, which I love it. I had it only in for like a week and I decided that I don't want it as a crochet anymore. I am going to take this out and I'm going to do it in small boxes and show you how I do that. I'm gonna have to carefully take this hair out because I don't want to destroy it and start from row to row. I did a recent video with installing this hair and it should be easy to come out because I didn't do double knots. I did one knot. See, it's very easy to come out and the hair is still nice. Like I had this in for a week now and I love it so much. I don't want to wear it as a crochet anymore. I'm going to take some curly featureless hair that I have and I'm going to just wrap it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature and I'm going to just soften my hair a bit.
As we take down this Tuesday evening, easy. Robert West Palm, has your day been pretty easy?
Pledge savings, a 529 plan.
So I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to insert it and pull through my fox lock hair, and then I'm going to take my hair and pull it through the fox lock loop and tighten it. Then after I do that, I'm going to take the featureless curly hair and I'm going to cut it in the middle because I don't need it to be that long, okay? Because I'm only gonna wrap it around the top of the hair. You'll see. So I'm gonna stretch it, okay? And stretch it to my liking, both ends, okay? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also insert that with my crochet needle. So after I do that, what I'm gonna do when I pull it through, I'm gonna make sure that the curly hair has one short end. I'm gonna make sure one of the ends are shorter. Okay, then I'm gonna hold my hair, the crochet hair and the curly hair, and wrap the longer piece around to get my fox lock look. And that's basically it. So I'm almost finished. I did most of my hair off camera, and I'm going to do this portion on camera. This hairstyle took me literally 3 days, 3 to 4 days, because I kept stopping and attending to my family and whatnot. But it usually takes around 4 hours depending on how fast you go. So I'm gonna just finish up the portion in front of my hair and take my time unraveling, and you'll see. Thank you for coming to my channel, y'all. I really appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I hope this video gave you some tips of a new hairstyle, or maybe even making an old hairstyle into a new hairstyle, if you get what I mean. So you will also see that you can wear this hair in a ponytail. You can wear it anywhere you want, in a bun, whatever you want, on the side or in the back bun, whatever you feel like. You can do anything with this. It's just like box braids. This hairstyle probably lasts around 6 weeks. I recommend that after each protective style that you wear your hair out, let it breathe, moisturize it, deep condition it, treat it, you get what I'm saying, between protective hairstyles, because it's always best to do that with your hair. You don't want to neglect it and then the hair gets dry because it's in the protective style for so long, your hair strands just get ridiculously dry. You don't want to do that. You want to treat your hair nice, you know, attend to it and give it time. Spend time with your hair, you get what I'm saying? That will promote a lot of growth. Okay, so that's what I tend to do when I do my protective styles. Each month I keep it in for like 6 weeks or maybe a month and a half, and I even wash my hair with my Faux Locs or box braids or whatever I have in my hair at the time. I tend to wash it and, you know, clean my roots and then oil it every 3 days or so. It's always best to do that. It feels more clean than just neglecting it for a whole month, 2 months, 3 months. You know what I'm saying? That's just not what I do. So I hope you liked this video. I hope I gave you some tips, and thank you for coming back and watching my tutorial. I will let this video go on by itself. I'll probably speed it up after this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, y'all. If you have any questions or comment, please be nice and leave it below, okay? And I will see you guys another time with another video. If you have any suggestions, don't be afraid to leave it below as well. That helps me to get content, and I really appreciate you guys for the love and for the support and for subscribing. And all you new people, subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I'll talk to you guys another time. Bye bye.